Hi, sir. Today I will explanation question 6 in 1.2p. So this one is guessing number programming C sharp. The goal of the task is to create a programming that keeps asking the users guess number between 1 and 10 until they get the correct answer. The program also need to validate to the input so it can handle invalid input such as text or numbers outside the range. Before writing the code, I first thought about the logic. The programming needs to repeat asking the users for input, so I used a loop. I choose a while loop because we don't know how many times the users will guess. The loop continues until the correct number is entered. Also, I need to check if the input is valid, so I need to import the validation. First, I created an integer variable called the number and satisfy. Mm, this is correct answer that the user needs to guess. Then I create another variable called guessing and initialization it to 0. This variable will store the user's input after conversation. Mm, Next, I used while loop. When guess exclamation mark equal number. So this means the program will continue running while the guessed number is not equal to the correct number. Once the user's guessing correctly, the loop will stop. And inside loop, I ask the users enter a number between 1 to 10, 1 and 10. Uh, I use the console read line to read the input. The input is stored as a string because the user might enter text, uh, not just the numbers. Uh, about that, um, I used int try parse input out guess. This function checks whether the input can be converted into an integer. If the input is not a number, the program prints invalid input. This prevents the program from crashing that safe than user direct conversation. Mm, If the input is violent number, I then check the whether uh, it's between 1 and 10. So if the number is less than 1 and or greater than 10, the program prints um, out of range. If the guess is equal to correct number, the program prints correct. So the user keeps guessing until they get the correct answer. Uh, and then I will show test this guessing number program here. So let's run, do it. Oh, if I try to 0, oh, out of range. If I try 1, wrong, try again. Uh, if I try to uh, if I try to use correct number. Oh, correct. Okay. Here, I still have thing we need to do. Yes, if I use, or if I just print W, oh, invalid input. So here is the for situation uh, for this program to programs answer. Um, so right now, in conclusion, the program demonstrates how to use a while loop input validation and condition statements in C sharp. It also shows to, um, how to it also show how what's the for here. So this video is over. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stop recording. Stop recording.